Hi guys. Look, I was gonna do my review on Pohatu Nuva and Jaila today since I already built them, like I don't know, 3 or 4 days ago. But I want to do something else instead. Okay? Maybe if I have enough storage, I'll do it next week. Well, this I made a Inika combiner mod between Holly and Motoro called Snowstorm. Now, if you don't know what the weapons in the back are supposed to be wings. I want to put the Zammer holders where they are, and I want to put the harpoon in the hand like George Ovian, but I couldn't. I kind of took inspiration from the Vizak and the way Paraka combiner model with the Zammer spheres on the shoulders. Zero sphere launchers on the shoulders, and also so remaining pieces I had. His or her little spirit buddy who could just float around as a companion. Now, I I think those weapons. I originally put those weapons there to be wings, but I think I could let you guys decide what they are. Now, I'm sorry if you hear a noise in the background. The TV's on. Okay, so um, the feet. Now basically is Holly's upper leg with motoral feet and leg pads. And I maybe would put some leg pads in the back. But or maybe in the back of the legs, but I need more pieces and it wouldn't fit. I would need more pieces and it probably wouldn't fit in the arm in those arms because I only found my I only have one of Holly's leg pads, but that's on my Galley New Hero Factory body, which I'll have to do another time. No. Now, I know it was a little stupid that I used the legs as on a corpus, but I guess it's supposed to resemble Min's teeth. Actually, that's what I'm trying to go for. But I'm not really sure if the feet look like snow boots. No, I just need it.
You have a piece.
Fine. Can we change that back screen? Now I'm not really sure if you could see it. Get on my table. On Okay, so I'm still not sure if you could see it back. What's new? So basically, what happened was, okay, I'm just gonna, what happened was, okay, I don't know if there's if you can make up stories for Nox or from the storyline. Just tell me in the comments because I don't really know that much about MOCs. Well, okay, what I'm going for, it's true, and if you could just make up stories for your own Nox, is that Snowstorm was Jovian's cousin who lived in the other part of Sorry if it sounds weak, I'm just making this up because that but they never got to see each other because they lived in different parts of the island. And also, they, I don't know if it should be a she or he. Tell me. Should it be a she or he? Well, she was defeated when taking part, or defeated when when they came across she came across Fox because before or toward Jovian exist. No, wait. Well, then after there's a gigantic attack, and he wasn't able to survive, and happened to be to not really be that fond of Jovian. I mean, not really like each other that much, but they had to fight together. Then when they finally were able to see each other. You know what? I'm probably gonna have to improve the story. If it's supposed to. I don't really know. I'm kind of new to this. Okay. So tell me, okay? I know a lot of you know a lot more than I do. So I
They didn't have graham crackers.
So I don't really know if you're supposed to make up stories for your MOCs or if they're supposed to come from somewhere. Okay, so just tell me about that. If it is legal to make, if you are supposed to make up your own stories about them, tell me help me improve the story a little bit. To help me, okay? There's also some spare pieces they have left over, which I guess was supposed to be a floating spear. I don't know. Okay, so